I need to get a dog. Honestly, the thing holding me back is space. I'm moving to a bigger place, hopefully soon, and I think at that point, I'll probably be ready to get a dog. They just seem like so much fun, but at the same time, apparently, you can get some attitude off your dog. You can get some sass.
Are you mad at me?
The side eye.
Rosie, what do you think? Does that look like you?
He was like, no. Whoa.
No.
That one definitely rolled its eyes for sure. Oh, whoa!
That's not how we ask for walkies.
Come on, mate.
Someone didn't have the patience for this buddy to check the water depth.
What?
Put it up again.
Try and be on the phone, B.
He's like, your screen time is too high. I'm doing you a favor.
Stop it. Bean.
Oh my god, the mess.
No response to doggy for 10 seconds. Be prepared for lessons.
Whoa. Oh.
What?
This dog's love.
The dog's bigger than her.
His baby's huge, but not as big as his ego.
Why do dogs do this? Why do they refuse to like walk? Are they tired maybe? His legs just like. Oh, another one that doesn't want to move.
When your social battery's at 1% and your human wants to go on another walk.
He's like, no, I want to stay at home. No.
Dogs are incredibly friendly, but sometimes he's a volcano.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Oh my. Go in. Hey. You back. You back. Go in.
Baby, Clyde's trying to save Odin. And there he goes.
Why doesn't he want him in the water? He was like, get out of here. That's my water. Oh, careful.
The dog's pull wasn't too strong,
Oh
but
my
the pillow
God.
still fell. So
How did that pillar come down, man? Was that thing glued on with some bubble gum or
someone
something?
check on the building permit.
Courtney says you asked her for a three-way. I don't blame you, she's not.
He wants some pizza.
What, my intel is no good?
No, it's no good.
See, I think it is. Because she confirmed that and I don't trust you.
Alright guys, should we go outside? Psych, you can't go anywhere.
That was mean.
Run to jungle.
What's happened there, though?
Don't be talking to me like that. I don't care. So you mad? You big mad? I don't.
To the store, and then I look over here.
That's the look of a dog who just realized this isn't the park run.
Why is he just staring at the guy? The dog's just like,
What the hell? What the hell am I looking at? What's in there?
what's going on, bud? Where? I like these types of dogs. What kind of dog is this? What breed of dog is this? Was that a Yorkie?
Can I kiss?
His face seemed to say, I would never do such trivial things.
Maybe just one. Why not?
Whoa. Why is the dog bullying her? Dog's like, we've got mail! We've got mail! He doesn't like balloons.
The Muffin Man?
Eat then go. Don't eat then stand. The dog rules.
Lives on Drury Lane?
Well, she's married to the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
She's mad.
I love that audio. I think it's from Shrek 2. Oh, easy. Easy.
He's not being stubborn. He's just tired of going places that aren't for him.
It's like, boom.
Let's go see the set.
Come on, bud. Come on, Julius. Let's move. Come on.
Sasha,
Come on.
come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Sasha.
Whoa, look at the size of this dog. This dog is huge.
This is not a dog. This is 120 pounds of refusal.
That dog is massive. The other dog's big as well.
Knockout.
Under the ground, there's definitely a secret that this dog doesn't want anyone to find out. The most
Look at the dog. Look how into it the dog is. The dog's cheering.
enthusiastic audience I've ever seen. Let him free, he'll join the game immediately.
Oh, Bobby. Oh, honey.
Oh, what's wrong? Oh.
Oh, what's wrong? Oh, you had a rough day.
The body of a puppy, but the spirit of the king of the jungle.
I've seen so many videos of this dog being like this type of dog being really like angry. Like, why is that? What kind of dog is this, by the way? Is this a Shih Tzu? Wow, look at the size of the Dalmatian compared
Raising
to the
this
other
difficult
one.
man's extremely hard, but making him angry is very simple.
It's so big. I didn't realize Dalmatians were this big.
Stassi, let's go. Stassi. Stassi, let's go.
Come on, Stassi, let's go.
Okay, bye.
Stassi was not moving.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear candidates. Happy birthday to you.
Beautiful duet.
For this dog, destroying balls is necessary for the house peace.
Wow, that dog is muscular. What is that? One of those XL bully dogs? Or is it a pit bull? What's going on outside? The screaming.
No. No. No.
No, no,
Oh.
no.
When you try to clip your nails, but your dog's auditioning for a horror movie.
Don't bite me. No. Absolutely not.
Have a good day with your furry friend.
That's a cute dog. Dude, dogs, man. The more videos I watch about dogs, the more I want one. But am I ready for the responsibility? It's almost like having a kid. You know, it's like your life changes when you get a dog, doesn't it? Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.